Right. This is a video on the traditional method of multiplication of 2-digit by 1-digit numbers, so 2 by 1. Here's my first problem. All right, this problem is written horizontally, but I want to write it vertically, and I want to put the digits in the proper place value. So I'm going to write 13, and then I'm going to write times 6. Now I've got them lined up, so I have the 1s and the 10s, and I like that better. The second thing I'm going to do is put a dot, and now I'm going to multiply this. I'm going to take the 6 and multiply it by each the 3 and the 1 on top. So whenever you're doing this, you always should go to the ones house first, just like you did with adding and subtracting. So here I go. So I'm going to make the first part of my b, 6 times 3. So 6 groups of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So that's 18. So I put the ones place down, and I put the tens place up with a plus sign, because whatever I put up here, I'm going to add to my next number. Okay. Next, I'm going to make the second part of my b. So I'm going to say 6 times 1 is 6. And then I'm going to add one more to that, which is 7. The answer to that one is 78. Okay. Now I'm going to do the next problem. Again, I don't want it to be horizontal. I want it to be vertical. So I'm just going to rewrite the problem. 16 times 9. And I've lined up the ones digits and the tens digits. Now I put the dot. And now all I'm going to do is go to the ones house first. So 9 times 6. So 9 groups of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, bum, 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 42, and 48. 54, so that's 54. So all I'm going to do is write 54 here. And I know the ones place goes down and the tens place goes up. And don't forget that plus sign. Now I'm going to make the second leg of my v. 9 times 1 is 9, and then I'm going to add 5 to that. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I know the ones place goes down, and if I had a hundreds place, this tens digit would go up, but there isn't any, so I'm just going to drop it. And this is the answer to my second problem. All right, now I'm going to do the next problem. Remember, I don't like it horizontal. I want to make it vertical. So I write the problem vertically. 36 times 7. And then I make my dot. And I always go to the ones house first, and then I go to the tens. So 7 times 6, so 7 groups of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, bum, 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 42. So it's 42. So I know the ones place goes down and the tens place goes up, and I make sure I don't forget to put that plus sign. And now I'm going to go with the number in the tens place. So 7 times 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So that's 21, but then I have to add 4 to that. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So that's 25. So I know the ones place goes down and the tens place would go up. But since there's no hundreds digit here, the tens digit just falls. And I get 252 as my answer. Hope that helps.